What is a VPN? A VPN, or virtual private network, is a service that creates a secure connection between your device and the internet. It does this by routing your internet traffic through a remote server, which hides your real IP address and encrypts your data. This process ensures that your online activities are protected from prying eyes, including hackers, governments, and even your internet service provider, ISP. The concept of VPNs originated in the 1990s when businesses needed a secure way for remote employees to access corporate networks. Since then, VPN technology has evolved to become a critical tool for personal privacy and security. Modern VPNs use various encryption protocols, such as OpenVPN, IKEv2, and WireGuard, to ensure that your data remains secure. A VPN typically consists of three key components. VPN server, the remote server that your internet traffic is routed through. VPN client, the software or app on your device that connects to the VPN server. VPN protocols, the rules and methods used to establish and maintain the secure connection. Why use a VPN? There are several compelling reasons to use a VPN, including privacy protection. Without a VPN, your online activities can be tracked by your ISP, government agencies, and even certain websites. A VPN masks your IP address and encrypts your data, making it difficult for anyone to monitor your activities. Security on public Wi-Fi. Public Wi-Fi networks, such as those in cafes and airports, are often insecure and can be exploited by hackers. A VPN encrypts your connection, protecting your data from being intercepted on these networks. Access to geo-restricted content. Many online services restrict access to content based on your geographic location. A VPN allows you to bypass these restrictions by changing your IP address to one from a different region. Bypassing internet censorship. In some countries, the internet is heavily censored, blocking access to certain websites and services. A VPN can help you bypass these restrictions and access the global internet. Anonymity online. A VPN hides your real IP address, making it harder for advertisers, websites, and other entities to track your online behavior and build a profile based on your activities. Types of VPNs. VPNs come in various types, each designed for specific use cases. Remote access VPN. This type of VPN is commonly used by individuals to connect to a private network from a remote location. It's ideal for personal use, allowing users to securely access the internet from anywhere. Site-to-site VPN. Often used by businesses, a site-to-site VPN connects entire networks to each other. It's commonly used to link branch offices with the main office's network, enabling secure communication between them. Client-to-site VPN. Also known as a VPN client, this type connects a single device to a remote network. It's frequently used by remote employees to access their company's internal network securely. Peer-to-peer VPN. This type of VPN is designed for secure file sharing and collaboration between peers. It's often used in decentralized networks, where multiple devices need to communicate directly with each other. Pros and cons of free VPN. While free VPNs are appealing because they don't require a financial commitment, they often come with significant drawbacks. Security risks. Free VPNs often lack the robust security features found in paid services. Some may even log your data and sell it to third parties. Additionally, free VPNs often have weaker encryption standards, making your connection less secure. Performance limitations. Free VPNs typically have slower speeds and data limits, which can affect your browsing experience. They also tend to have fewer server locations, limiting your ability to bypass geo-restrictions. Comparison with paid VPNs. Paid VPNs offer better security, faster speeds, and more server locations. They also provide additional features like ad blocking, malware protection, and dedicated customer support. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss a new video. For exclusive content and detailed articles that expand on today's topic, visit my blog. Link is given in the description.